Sayre, the complete outdoor gas griddle cookbook for beginners. 2,000 days of delicious recipes and expert tips to master your griddle skills. Perfect for all seasons. Table of contents. Introduction 2. Chapter 1. What is an outdoor gas griddle? 3. Section 1. Types of gas grills 3. Chapter 2. Initial setup 4. Chapter 3. Seasoning the griddle 5. Chapter 4. Recipes. 6 Day 1. American Classics. 6 Day 2. Italian Delights 14. Day 3. French Elegance. 22 Day. 4 Japanese Flavors. 30 Day 5. Mexican Fiesta. 38 Day 6. Indian Delights. 46 Day. 7. Chinese Feast. 56 Day. 8. Greek Delicacies. 64 Day. 9 Armenian Cuisine. 72 Day. 10 Ukrainian Cuisine. 80 Day. 11 Georgian Cuisine. 88 Day 12. Uzbek Cuisine. 97 Day 13. Turkish Cuisine. 105 Day. 14 Bulgarian Cuisine. 113 Day 15. American Barbecue. 121 Day. 16 Italian Cuisine. 129 Day 17. French Cuisine. 137. Final Day Summarizing the Journey. 145. Conclusion 149. Final Thoughts 149. Final Note 149. Disclaimer 150. Introduction. Welcome to the Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of cooking on an outdoor gas griddle. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine their griddle skills, this book has something for everyone. With 2,000 days of delicious recipes, expert tips, and step-by-step instructions, you'll be griddling like a pro in no time. Cooking outdoors is not only fun, but also a great way to bring people together. From casual family dinners to festive gatherings with friends, the recipes in this book will help you create memorable meals that everyone will love. We will start with the basics of choosing the right griddle and setting it up, then move on to more advanced techniques and recipes. This book is divided into several sections, each focusing on different aspects of griddle cooking. We will explore breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert recipes from various cuisines around the world. Each section is designed to build your skills progressively so you can confidently tackle more complex dishes as you go. This book marks the first publication of what we hope will be an ongoing journey into the world of outdoor cooking. So let's fire up the griddle and get started on this culinary adventure. Chapter 1. What is an outdoor gas griddle? An outdoor gas griddle is a versatile cooking appliance that allows you to cook a wide variety of foods on a flat heated surface. Unlike traditional grills which use grates, a griddle has a smooth cooking surface that is perfect for cooking everything from pancakes to steaks. The even heat distribution and large cooking area make it ideal for outdoor cooking. Section 1. Types of gas grills. Flat top grills. Description and benefits. Flat top grills provide a large, flat cooking surface that heats evenly. This makes them perfect for cooking multiple items at once, such as burgers, vegetables, and eggs. The solid surface also prevents smaller items from falling through, making it easier to cook delicate foods. Common features. Large cooking surface, adjustable heating zones, grease management systems, and durable construction. Popular brands and models. Blackstone, Camp Chef, and Cuisine are among the top brands offering high-quality flat-top grills. Combination grills and griddles. Explanation of versatility. Combination grills and griddles offer the best of both worlds by providing both a griddle surface and traditional grill grates. This allows you to sear steaks on the grill side while cooking vegetables or pancakes on the griddle side. Examples of use. Perfect for breakfast feast with pancakes, bacon, and eggs all cooking at once, or for dinner parties where you can grill steaks and sauté vegetables simultaneously. Popular brands and models. Brands like Royal Gourmet and Blackstone offer excellent combination grills and griddles. Chapter 2. Initial setup, unpacking and assembling. The griddle, setting up your new outdoor gas griddle is straightforward. Start by unpacking all the components from the box. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for assembly, ensuring all parts are securely fastened. Connecting to a gas source, safety is paramount when dealing with gas appliances. Make sure to follow these steps. Check for leaks. Before connecting your griddle to a propane tank, check the hose and connections for any leaks using a soap and water solution. Secure connection. Attach the regulator to the propane tank securely. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent gas leaks. Open the valve. Slowly open the propane tank valve and listen for any hissing sounds indicating a leak. If you hear any, immediately close the valve and recheck the connections. First-time lighting instructions. Lighting your gas griddle for the first time, preheat the griddle. Open the lid if applicable and turn the burners to high. Ignite the burners using the ignition button or a long lighter. Adjust heat. Once the griddle is lit, adjust the heat to the desired temperature. Let it heat up. Allow the griddle to heat up for about 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Chapter 3. Seasoning the griddle. Why seasoning is important. Seasoning your griddle creates a non-stick surface and adds flavor to your food. It also helps protect the griddle from rust and prolongs its life. Step-by-step guide to seasoning. Your griddle, clean the griddle. Before seasoning, clean your griddle surface thoroughly with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry completely. Apply oil. Using a paper towel, apply a thin layer of high heat oil, like flaxseed, canola, or vegetable oil, across the entire griddle surface. Heat the griddle. Turn on the burners and heat the griddle until the oil starts to smoke. This process, known as polymerization, bonds the oil to the metal. Cool and repeat. Allow the griddle to cool down. Repeat the oil application and heating process 3 to 4 times to build a solid seasoning layer. Maintaining the seasoning over time. After each cooking session, clean with a scraper. Use a scraper to remove food particles. Apply a thin layer of oil. After cleaning, apply a thin layer of oil to the griddle surface to maintain the seasoning. Store properly. If storing the griddle for a long time, cover it to protect it from dust and moisture. I know that you really want to move on to recipes, cooking methods, and my personal secrets of the magic of fire, heat, and aroma. The foreplay lasted a long time. If you are sure that emotional contact has been established, we urgently move on to hot recipes. Subscribe to our channel, give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.